Hey there, awesome people. I hope you guys are doing great. This is your Victor from Wearview, and today I will be testing out the best AI, outfit generators for you. Now, I know this is really important as you are a fashion brand owner. You want to create models like AI models, as well as use those AI models to make him wear anything you want. Maybe your dress, maybe your shoes, maybe your t-shirt, jackets, whatever you're trying to sell, you want it, because I know it is really expensive to hire a professional photographer or a videographer and then hire models and do all this kind of process. It's really time consuming, and also now it's the time of AI and we can use it to create ourselves outfits, or as well as our models for our outfits as well. And in this video I have tested out all the best AI models that we have to create ourselves an AI outfit generator. And at last we have the best tool, which is nothing but Wearview. I'll just show you the whole process right in the video. So the first tool that we tried is Claude. Claude is really famous for coders and stuff like that, and it is also great for text-based work. If you're trying to summarize a PDF and stuff like that, it's amazing. But for here I have uploaded my model, who is this guy. He's an amazing looking guy, and also I have uploaded the jacket that I want him to wear, and I just prompted make this model wear the jacket I have attached here. You have to type the model, and then I don't have an image generation, so Claude is out of the equation. Next, I went to ChatGPT. ChatGPT is also really famous. People love using ChatGPT. I did the same thing. I selected my jacket along with the model and told him to make this model wear the jacket. And this is the image that I got. It is quite okay, but you can see the artifacts in his face. It looks like it is generated by an AI, and that's something that we want to ignore, right? We want the image to be real as possible, but overall, it is quite good. I will give this 7 out of 10. But I can also give it less because of the face, the coloring, it is not that great. And also, if you just go ahead and download it in all the kind of aspect ratios, which is something really nice. But the only drawback here is the image. It's not really high quality. And also it looks like it is an animated one, as you can see here towards his shoulders. The printing, it just looks like it's made up of an it is animated or stuff like that. So that is something that I really don't like about it. And also there are not much options to convert this into a video and stuff like that. ChatGPT doesn't support it. So here's ChatGPT. If you ask me honestly, I would just rate 7 out of 10 or maybe 6 out of 10. So that's there for ChatGPT. Next comes Gemini. Gemini is the Google's generative AI model. I did the same thing, uploaded my model, and then uploaded my jacket, and then again the same prompt to make this model wear the jacket I've attached here. And this is the image that we have got. This looks kind of good, but the main drawback about Gemini is the quality of the image. The quality is not that much good. If you go ahead and just try to make it make this image more clearer or stuff like that, you can just try to do it. But I have tried it. The results is not that much good, and also you get a watermark as well as the arms. It looks like it is from a video game, so it is not something really high quality that you can go ahead and use. Next comes Meta AI. It's the Facebook AI or whatever you want to call it. Meta AI. Meta is quite convincing. I tried the same thing here. Make this model wear the jacket. The same prompt. Meta AI has given me some good and really impressive result, but the only drawback here, if you go ahead and download it, you will get a watermark there, which is not really nice. But overall, you can go ahead and use it, but there is a better way to do it. That's the main purpose of this video. I want to help you guys. I tried it out, all of them. This is my honest opinion. You can just see all the time you will have to have you will have to type great prompts in order to get great images. And also you will get some artifacts. They do mistakes. It's AI. Come on, we all understand AI make mistakes, but again, the number of errors are quite high while using this kind of generative AI. For example, I tried Gemini, Claude is out of the picture. I tried Gemini, ChatGPT, as well as Meta AI. They get the job done, but if you're really serious about your business, then hands down the best image generator that is available on the market is nothing but Wearview. I'll show you why Wearview is so good and how easily you can create your very own model, as well as generate those images that you're looking for your online store. So first, what I want you to do is go ahead to wearview.co and then create your account. If you have already created an account, then great, then just go ahead and log in. Once you have logged in, just go ahead and click on the Try It Now button. After you click on that, you will have all these features, all these options that you get inside Wearview. We work really hard in Wearview to bring all these features to you. So if you have any more doubts or questions, or if you have any feature requests, please let us know in the comment box down below. So first, we have AI Try-On Studio, AI Product to Model, AI Fashion Video, AI Model Creation, AI Ghost Mannequin, AI Post Control, AI Consistent Models, AI Model Swap. There are so many features, and all these are easy to use. For example, let me show you AI Try-On Studio. Once you click on AI Try-On Studio, click on choose file. Here you will have to upload your garment. So I'll just click on the choose file button, and I will navigate to the place where I have my jacket. So I'll choose the same jacket like the way I did to all the other AI, like Gemini, ChatGPT, as well as Meta. So I've selected my jacket, and I'll click on the next button. Here I'll have to choose my model. So I have already generated my model. So I'll click on my models. If you want, you can also choose from a huge list of models that we already have. We have women as well as men, or if you want, you can also create your very own model as well, which I did. I did create a lot of models in my past, as you can see right here. But for this video, I'll choose Ash. This is not the version that I was looking for. So I'll just click on the next button, and we'll select the model that we are really happy about. I think the last one is the one that I selected. Yeah, this is the model that I selected. His name is Ash, as you can see. So I'll just click on select this model. Once the model is selected, we'll click on the next button. It is just so easy, guys. It's just ABC. You just follow a few prompts, not few prompts. You just follow a few, steps. There you go. It just shows you this is the garment, this is the model, right? You want the quality, it's good there. You have to select the quality. So for the best quality possible, if you're really serious about your clothing business, 4K is hands down the best option for you. You will get the best of the best. The quality is amazing. But for this video, I'll choose 2K, and you'll be amazed to see how clear, how high quality the images are. So I'll also choose 2K, and for aspect ratio for this video, I'll choose 3:4. But here you can select from a variety of aspect ratio for your image. But for this video, like I said, 3:4 is what I'll choose. And finally, click on the generate button. Now this will take around like 30 to 40 seconds depending on the complexity of your dress. So I won't keep you guys waiting. I'll just resume the video once the generation is completed. Alright guys, so the image has been generated successfully, and we can see Ash is looking so much better. You can just take a look at the quality of the image. It's a 2K resolution image. Just think about what will happen if I have chosen 4K. That's something for you to choose, but just look at the high quality, his face cutting as well as the dress, the jacket. It just looks so good in him. But by any chance, if you're not happy by something, maybe you don't like his color, maybe you don't like the button that is there, so you can just go ahead and click on the refine button. You can just describe what you want to change. You don't have to prompt it as a prompt engineer or anything as such. Just go ahead and type in whatever you want to change. This AI or Wearview will do it for you. For example, you can just brighten the background, sharpen the fabric texture, or maybe remove background distractions, etc. So your imagination is the limit. If you want, you can also flip the image horizontally, but that depends on you. And also here we have AI pose control. So from here you can also change the pose of your model right inside Wearview. That's what makes Wearview the best outfit generator, or overall a model generator for your business. Along with that, you have also AI fashion video. You can use the same image to create fashion videos for your website or store. So that's what it is. Wearview is a one-stop shop or one-stop place where you create your model, where you choose what that model will wear, you control the poses, and you also have the option to create AI fashion video. Well, these are all the features that we have in Wearview. Now what I will do here, I'll just download this image and then update this image onto my clothing store where this jacket is listed, because this image is really trust me, it's one of the best images. Not one of the best, it is always great image to choose, and I will choose this one in my store, and I can definitely see my buyers are gonna love this image. Well, that's pretty much it. That's how you can generate images, and these are the images that these are the AI outfit generators that I tested, which included Claude, which cannot generate you for sad reasons. Gemini did create, but the quality could have been better. Meta AI did generate us really good images. I'm really happy with Meta AI. But lastly comes ChatGPT. It gave some weird artifacts, but hey, it is what it is. Wearview, as you saw, it is just so easy to choose, and that's pretty much it. If you have any doubts or questions, please let us know in the comment box down below. This is your Victor from Wearview, and if you have, like I said, any future requests, if you have any sorts of doubts or questions, please let us know in the comments. We love to help you out. That's all. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.